Hi folks, Megan Kearney again. We're continuing on our dry needling journey. Today we're working with a patient who has some peripheral neuropathy, numbness, tingling in his feet. So we've done needles in his back, we've done a couple around the face actually, and now we're going to treat the local problem here down at the nerve roots, trying to draw blood flow, healing, and change to those areas. What we're going to do is treat between each of the toes. How do those feel? Good, he says. You can see evidence of poor blood flow and slow healing. These toenail problems have been in place for over a year. And that's that.